Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to remove domain from Shopify. In order to remove domain from Shopify, you just have to follow the simple steps. Now, first thing first, you wanna go ahead and log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. Next thing, what you wanna do is while you're on the home page, at the bottom of the screen, you can see settings. Click on that. As you click on settings here, you could see this sort of page. So from the left hand side bar, click on domains. Once you click on domains, you could see this page where you could see all of the domain that you've created or your domains. Now select the one that you want to go ahead and delete it or remove it. Once you select that, you could find out the option as delete domain. If you're sure about deleting it, click on the delete button and make sure to go ahead and read about all of these confirmation and tap the remove button. This way you'll have successfully removed domain from Shopify. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.